Alright, so this is the Happymodel Snapper7. I'm here with friend Ryan from RD's Drone Reviews, and we're just gonna fly this out in the backyard here.
I don't know what's up. I've had it get caught in an aluminum frame and it's bent. But
hey, you know what? It flies real smooth.
It doesn't have a ton of throttle punch, but it's sporty. When you get going, it's fast.
Yeah.
Give it full throttle here.
Alright.
Just take it left to right or right to left.
Oh, wow.
It's not bad for a 1S.
No, not at all.
I mean, like I said in my review, it doesn't have a ton of punch because it's 1S, but it's not bad. But when you get going, it books. It really gets, it has a ton of pitch.
Yeah, look at that.
When you get going,
Now, the only problem with this one is that the camera, the FPV camera, at least on yours, doesn't work.
One other comment on my channel said he had the same problem.
Right.
So I think there may be some issues with the video TF. Unfortunately, this is one of the better flyers I've seen.
It's a lot of fun.
I don't know if there's a better 1S brushless roof.
I'm switching to Horizon. Let's see if we can do some flips. Now, does it?
It does good flips.
Oh, it does good flip.
Oh, it did good flips.
Wait,
maybe not.
Well, wait a second. I wasn't giving it a lot of throttle. No, it's good. It does clean flips.
For 1S, I mean, it's not like a racer, but I mean, it flips okay. It's not.
Yeah, that's cool though. I like that.
A lot of these little whoops I found don't do really tight flips in Horizon mode.
I would probably, if I was flying at FPV, I would probably increase the rates a little bit.
It doesn't quite have enough punch, does it?
Yeah, a little bit. Also, I think if it did it a little quicker, it might be a little better.
I know it's all the drones I had. My Tiny 7 actually was probably the best at doing Horizon mode flips in this brush. We're got 3 batteries, so I've got 2 more charged up. So.
Yeah, it comes with 3 batteries, right?
Yeah, it comes with 3 and a multi-charger, the digital multi-charger.
That's cool.
And a lithium-ion high voltage.
Yeah, so you're gonna fly longer than normal.
A little bit.
That's cool. All right. I guess that's the yaw.
Not bad. I want to think it was like $90 to $100. I don't remember exactly.
You know what? It's fun. It's even without FPV, it's actually fun.
That's what I thought. I was standing in my front driveway and I kept trying to see if I could fly it with my legs.
I bet you I could.
I just try to fly it fast too. I was able to do it, but sometimes I hit my legs. But it's hard to do it yourself without dodging.
Yeah.
Sitting there try to fly.
Fly between your own legs, yeah.
It's a nice flyer.
Oh, I think that's it for this battery. Yeah, we're down. Now I'm all acro.
Be able to race it back and forth?
I'm all acro now.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, I'm all on
I need to try it because it's not like I'm going to hurt anything flying something like the acro. It's just line of sight's not easy.
Oh, and now you can see it's not easy to fly acro line of sight.
No. Sometimes this battery will pop. The rubber band will come off the end, but it doesn't break.
Oh, okay.
And the battery will fall out, and the whole thing will fall to the ground because it pulls it down.
I'm gonna go back into acro.
Acro line of sight too
it's not easy.
It's not easy, and I don't know if it'd necessarily be that much fun.
Nope.
You can't really see what you want to do and go.
Yeah, I guess if you flip, right, you have to write it yourself. Oh my God.
I'm surprised at how fast it is. Just going.
Yeah, I'm surprised at how fast it is too. Actually, even though this thing is brushless, you can take off from your hands. It's not going to kill you.
I take it off and touch it with my hand.
Yeah, here, hold it so I can.
I let my daughters, they catch it. I let it in their hand. You're not going to hurt.
Yeah, no, it's definitely not going to hurt your pets or whatever.
I've flown it into me, it doesn't hurt. I mean, I've bent the aluminum and had to hit the top. It's easy enough to bend it.
Yeah, I think you mentioned.
Because I had a really bad crash on the driveway with it when I did a flip in Horizon mode too close to the ground. And
yeah, I think that's right. When you showed this to me, I said, looks good, but the aluminum ducts there, how's that going to hold up? But actually, it's good because you don't have plastic cracking. You just bend it back a little bit.
As long as aluminum lets you bend, I think it's malleable enough you can, unless you've got a really bad crash, you know. or if you crashed it a bunch of times.
Oh! I let it down really fast there. Oh, okay. No, it's not.
I think it's a damn good deal with 3 batteries.
No, yeah.
Man, if that video tree actually worked good for everybody, it'd be amazing.
Well, I'm sure that the video not working yet is just because you got a defective one, but
it could be that not all of them linked. That's the problem with some of them. And other people, this one person said they had a battery.
So that was just sort of a quick line of sight of Ryan's Happymodel Snapper7. He likes it. I can see why he likes it, because it does. It flies really nice line of sight. I would love to see it FPV. Unfortunately, his camera doesn't work. I'm sure not all of them are like that, but you know, I can't fully give it a review with the camera being like that. But I will say, flies nice line of sight. So if you get one, you'd probably be happy with it flying at FPV as well. Even if you do need to replace the camera, it's not going to be hard, because that's just an AIO camera. That's just an all-in-one video camera and video transmitter. It's going to cost you maybe $10 if you even need to replace it. But you get this with 3 batteries, it's not bad. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the really quick review, and have a great day.